Hello, my name is Julie Jimena Quiñones. Today I'm going to talk about Valentina Tereshkova, a modern explorer of space. She was the first woman to travel into space, a historic achievement for humanity. Valentina Tereshkova was born in Russia in 1937. Before becoming an astronaut, she worked in a factory and practiced. She did her main mission was to present women in Spain exploration and to show the time code and some travel into space. In 1963, Valentina was chosen to pilot the Sputnik box seats. During her flights. She orbited the Earth 48 times in almost the days. She used space used communication system and navigation technology that was very advanced for time. She also collected that about how the human body reacts and adapts to space. Explorers in the past traveled, visited Orland, discovered new places. In comparison, book Valentina explored a completely different frontiers of space with and cities explorers used sheets, maps and compass to use and escort and modern technology and instead in college new lands she explored to learn and projects scientific knowledge for the future. Valentina Telescove's mission in sport because she opened the door for women in science and Spain exploration. She proved that weak work and preparation and doing time can achieve great things. Her husband and health in science improved space travel and project astronaut during future mission. An interesting fact is that Valentina was only 26 years old when she heads to space, and she is still the only woman who has flown alone on a space mission. After her flight, she became a chief of equality and brave around the world. In conclusion, Valentina Tereshkova was not only an astronaut but also a true modern explorer. Her mission inspired many people to follow their dreams and to protect the future on space exploration. Thank you for listening.